Hello everyone. So today we are going to prove trigonometric identity. But before we proceed to the proving of the identity, let us first define what is an identity. So guys, when we say identity, especially in trigonometry, identity is an equality that is satisfied for every value of the variable. So meaning, the left-hand side of the equation or equality equals the right-hand side. So that is, no matter what value is assigned for the variable in the equality. So we have here an example of a trigonometric identity. This is the famous Pythagorean identity. We have cosine squared x plus sine squared x is equal to 1. So this is an example of trigonometric identity. Why? Because this equation is true for all values of x, where x is an element of real number. Meaning, no matter what value of x that will be assigned, this will eventually become a true equation. Meaning, the left-hand side of the equation will be equal to the right-hand side of the equation. So now, let us prove this given trigonometric identity. So we have here 1 over sine x minus sine x equal cosine squared x over sine of x. So now, but before that, I will give you a short reminder. So proving trigonometric identities, guys, is not the same as solving equation. Okay? So our goal here is not to solve the equation. Rather, we are going to prove the given equation. So we are going to show that the left side of the equation is equal to the right side of the equation. But there is no well-defined set of rules to follow in proving trigonometric identities. But as a product of experience, guys, the process of proving trigonometric identity is best learned by much practice. So that's why today we are going to practice on how to prove a trigonometric identity. Okay? So let us prove this given equation or equality. So to prove this or to do this, we are going to choose working with the left side of the given identity or equation. So why is that? Because this will give us the opportunity to subtract fractions, right? So we are going to simplify this by subtracting. Because we only have one term here. So we have two terms here. So we are going to simplify the left side of the equation. So now we have, of course, the LCD is sine of x. So sine of x divided by sine of x, that is 1 times 1, we have 1. Minus sine of x times sine of x, we have sine squared of x. And this is equal to the right-hand side of the equation. You can write RHS. Or this. So I am using RHS because if the right-hand side of the equation is too complicated or in many terms, so much better if you would use RHS. Okay? So now, we have this, the left side of the equation. So we are going to simplify the left-hand side of the equation. So let us look into the numerator. We have 1 over sine squared x. So take note, you cannot simplify this sine squared x with the denominator. Don't do that because the numerator has two terms. We have minus sign here. Okay? So you cannot directly cancel out sine of x. So to simplify this, we are going to use this Pythagorean identity. Okay? So cosine squared x plus sine squared x is equal to 1. In fact, cosine squared x here is equal to 1 minus sine squared x. So in order to prove a given trigonometric identity, you must recall, okay? Recall some trigonometric identity, okay? especially the Pythagorean identity, okay? That is an example. So using the Pythagorean identity, the numerator is equal to cosine squared x. This is equal to cosine squared x over sine of x. And this is equal to the right-hand side of the equation. Is this really equal to the right-hand side of the equation? What is the right-hand side of the equation? So the right-hand side of the equation is cosine squared x over sine of x. And that is the same with the left-hand side of the equation. So I will going to put a check mark here, meaning the left side of the equation is equal to the right-hand side of the equation. And I am going to write a shaded square here, meaning this ends the proof. Okay? So I hope you learned from this video. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, Serby, and like and comment and share my videos. Thank you.